TPET stock analysis and TPET stock prediction is the buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Trio Petroleum, it's already kind of going up, and that's good. I myself have having done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years of seeing what's making me money and what's not. Especially now with TPET. Well, man, that's one thing that I must say is that this bearish thing that I got, break-evens got hit just today, which kind of sucks, but I guess it is what it is. Ultimately, looking at this, what's not going to happen is just immediately shifting this to bullish, right? Because it didn't even clear these lows out. I mean, yes, I definitely will be bullish as long as there's a full candle close above $1.64. And if that's not the case, then bro, they're going to be doing nothing but still waiting, right? So even if there's a shift, I'm looking to take it further down. It's not forever, it's only for now. And if you want to learn how I make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.